Hi, it is Troy Stavros with Cornerstone Realty Associates here in Knoxville, and I want to talk a little bit about affordability. We just passed through a historic deterioration in housing affordability. That'll happen when the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate spikes from 3% to 7% just after national home prices surge over 40% during the pandemic housing boom. As a result, today's homebuyers need to earn significantly higher income to get a foot in the door of today's housing market. A new report from Zillow says that American households need to make at least $106,536 a year to comfortably afford the typically priced U.S. home. That's a tough ask for many, considering that the median household earns an estimated $81,000, which is up from $65,000 in 2020. So the income needed to comfortably afford a home is up 80% nationally since 2020, while the median income has only risen 23% in that time. So when it comes to housing affordability, some markets are worse off than others. The most affordable, or the only ones that are considered affordable right now, are Pittsburgh, St. Louis, and Detroit. So what about Knoxville? Let's take a look and see where we stand. But first, let's explain the methodology that Zillow used. So this is the income needed to afford a home with a 10% down payment. And what they used is the calculation of total monthly payment that is based on monthly mortgage payment, insurance, property taxes, and annual maintenance costs of a home. So the combination of all those things is what they're considering the monthly payment. So again, the total monthly payment is based on the monthly mortgage payment, insurance, property taxes, and annual maintenance of the home. So let's take a look and see what Knoxville looks like. This here shows all of the top 100 in size cities in the United States. When we go down to Knoxville, which is ranked number 64, in 2020, the median income needed to afford a home was $45,137, and that monthly mortgage payment in January of 2020 was $888. The median income in 2020 was $56,689. So you needed $45,137 to afford a home, and the median income was $56,689. That monthly mortgage payment was $888. In January of this year, the income needed to afford a home in Knoxville was $96,687, with the mortgage payment being $2,086 and the median income estimated in 2024 up to $72,481. So we went from, in 2020, the income needing to be $45,137 to now 2024, the income needed to buy a median priced home, $96,687. So the difference in the median income from 2020 to 24 was 27.86%. So this is saying there was a 27.86% increase in the median income in the Knoxville area. Keep in mind that a big reason for that increase were people moved in to the area in 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023 from other parts of the country where there were higher earning jobs. So people may have moved from, say, California, where they earned more money, moved to Knoxville, kept their job because they are able to work from home. So that increased the median income. So not everybody's income increased over the 4 years that much. But let's just say it did increase that much, 27.86%. What is the percentage increase between the income needed to afford a home? $45,137 up to $96,687. That is a 114.21% increase. So the amount of income needed to afford a home in Knoxville increased from January of 2020 to January of 2024, it increased 114.21%. That is a big number. And that is why so many people are sitting on the sidelines right now because of what interest rates have done. And it's because that interest rates jumped to over 7%, obviously in combination with prices rising, that so many people are still stuck on the sidelines, so many not having the ability to afford a home right now. So the hope is interest rates will come down later in this year. We're not sure how much they'll come down, but every little bit helps. Every little bit that it comes down, more people can afford a home. So it's our hope that we see those interest rates come down and gives more people in Knoxville the ability to afford a home. If you have any questions about this, or you have any questions about anything real estate related in Knoxville or East Tennessee, don't hesitate to reach out to me. This is Troy Stavros with Cornerstone Realty Associates, and we will talk to you soon.